Hello guys, in this video I am going to discuss some important terms that will use while we are working on the ads manager. So first of all is the reach. Reach is the number of persons to whom our ad is shown. This is the number of the people that our ad has shown to them. Next is the impressions. Impression is the number of times that our ad has shown. So the impressions, for example, to one person, if our ad is shown two times, there are two impressions for that person. So the basically most of the people are confused between reach and the impressions. The reach is the only the number of persons that our ad has shown to them. But the impression is that number of times that our ad has shown even to some person, if our ad has shown two times, those impressions will shown as two times. So next is the frequency. Frequency is the number of time. You can say it's the ratio between impressions by time by reach. So more specifically, you can like calculate the frequency dividing the number of impressions by the number of reach. So it this result will show that how often our ad is shown to one person. For example, if our frequency is 2, so on average our ad has shown two times to a single person. Next is the CPC. CPC is the cost per click. If one person has click on our ad and the cost is, for example, the $2, so the our CPC is the $2. Similarly, the more we are spending on the ads, the people are clicking on the ads, it will calculate how much cost we are bearing for one click. Next is the CPR. CPR is the cost per result. Cost per result means if we have optimized our ad for the conversions for example the purchase. So under this column, cost per result will be the cost per purchase. If we have optimized our ad for the initiate checkout, so under the cost per result will be the cost for per checkout initiated. Similarly, if we have optimized our ad for the lead generation, so under the cost per result box, you can see the cost per lead. So this is used for the multiple things. Next is the CPM. CPM is the cost per 1000 impressions. Like if we have got after we have got 1000 impressions, then this cost will appear that how much we have bear the cost for the 1000 impressions. Next one is leads. Leads is something like that when people fill the form, whether that form is on our on website, or we have created the Facebook lead generation form. When people that form, we can simply say that a lead is created. Next one is ROI. ROI means return on investment. Return on investment, like if we have put $100 in ads, how much return we have get. Similarly, the similar term is ROAS. ROAS means return on ad spend. Return on ad spend, after spending 1000 on the ads, how much we return from the ads. So for generating ROI or ROS in our ads manager, we need to put some value of the conversion. So after calculating that value of the conversion, it will Facebook Ads Manager will tell us how much ROI or how much ROS we have got. Mostly our clients are interested in both of these, but 90% they are more interested in ROS, means return on ad spend. So these are the simple and important terms that we will face when we are creating the ads, and these terms will use in our further lessons too.